Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the exact Google Sheet and selecting the cell where you want the image to live. Once done, choose Insert, then Image in cell to embed it inside the selected cell rather than floating above. Make sure you have the image file on your device or a direct image URL available. This saves time and avoids upload errors. You'll see a dialog that guides the upload. Follow it and the image will appear sized to the cell automatically. Next, you refine how the image appears by resizing the column and row so the cell displays the image proportionally. Drag borders or use numeric width/height. If you want an overlay, choose Insert, Image over cells that floats above and can be moved freely. Alternatively, use the image function. Type equals image, URL, mode, height, width when you need consistent sizing or a dynamic image linked to a URL. This gives you programmatic control and keeps layout predictable. Finally, secure your result by protecting the cell or sheet to avoid accidental edits or moves. This is especially useful in shared documents. Make sure, too, that any external image URL is publicly accessible or within the same Google account. Otherwise, viewers may see a broken image. If the image fails to load, clear your browser cache, confirm permission settings, or re-upload the file directly into the cell. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch from URL to upload if visibility remains inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.